What's up everybody, it's Sean here, back today to give you guys a review of the Discord collaboration with Collegium on the Pillar Destroyer High in this Blurple suede and friends and family colorways. Collegium, for those who haven't heard of them before, is an independent footwear, clothing, and accessory brand founded by a good friend of mine, Nick, and he's based out of California. Their products lean on their three pillars of craft, materials, and wearability, and their products are made straight from Italy. So in the past, I reviewed a lot of their products on my channel, but these two in my hand are very special. This is a joint collaboration with Discord, and as a way to give back to the community, none of these pairs will actually be for sale. They're going to be completely given away to the public through Collegium's own Discord channel. So if you guys are interested in joining, I'll add a link to that down below. But long story short, there's a post on their Discord for this giveaway, and the giveaway runs between Monday the 24th and closes on Friday the 28th. So like I said before, this one right here, this is the more general release version, and it's inspired by the look of Discord's One-Piece character. And this friends and family version, while it departs a little bit more from the actual look of One-Piece, it still retains many of the same color elements of this character, but with a little bit of a twist. So let's dive into the details and I give you guys a closer look. The base layer of both pairs, this is constructed in this smooth white colored leather. On the toe box, we have this perforated finish to it, and then for the general release pair, surrounding the outer edge, this is covered in this Italian calfskin suede in this gray finish. This same gray suede covers the eyelets of the shoe and runs all the way to the top, and then we have your signature mid-panel stripe. This is done in this lilac or light purple colored suede. Moving downwards, we have more of that very soft Italian calfskin leather, which wraps around the back of the shoe, and then surrounding the bottom of the heel, we have another overlay of this gray colored suede, and you'll see we have the Collegium logo debossed on the lateral side of the left foot, and we have the Discord One-Piece logo debossed on the right shoe. Attached in the middle, we have this very soft leather pull tab, which matches the color of the One-Piece leaf, which is sort of like a pastel colored leaf green. And then wrapping around the top of the ankle collar area, we have more of that gray colored suede. In contrast, when you compare this to the friends and family version, so surrounding the front toe cap, instead of suede, here we have this very soft black colored calfskin leather. This black leather covers the eyelets of the shoe, and then unlike the general release pair, the stripe on the mid panel, this is left in that same natural white colored leather. On the back side of the ankle collar area, this is covered in this lilac or light purple colored suede. We have that same green colored leather pull tab beneath this, and then surrounding the bottom of the heel, instead of suede, this is done in this darker gray colored leather. For the laces, so these both come with three different pairs of laces. So the standard default lace is a flat cotton white colored lace, but they also give you a secondary pair of these light purple colored laces, along with a third pair of cream or off-white colored laces too. Underneath this, so the tongue on the general release pair, this is constructed out of this gray colored nylon. Surrounding the outer edge, we have this gray colored suede, and we have this purple suede tag at the very top, with Collegium debossed across the left foot and Discord debossed on the right foot. And in contrast for the friends and family pair, the tongue here is done in this white colored nylon, and we have black leather surrounding the outer edge. The inner liner of the shoe and the back of the tongue is lined in a very soft, pure white colored leather. So unlike the exterior of the shoe where this leather is more of an eggshell white, the interior is lined in more of a pure white. Taking out the insoles, these come with a very thick, very well padded polyurethane foam insole. So you can see there's a ton of padding underneath the heel, which is where the majority of the comfort of the shoe comes from. So we have Discord's tagline of Imagine a Place on the left insole with their Clyde mascot or logo on the heel, and then on the right insole, it's done in that same yellow colored finish, and we have the One-Piece logo pressed on the heel. So the upper of the shoe sits atop this rubber cupsole, which is done in this vintage looking finish. And then turning the shoes over to the bottom, so these are Italian made Margom outsoles. And for the general release pair, this is done in this gray colored rubber. We have this circular pivot point on the forefoot, and we have Collegium branding in the middle of the left foot, and Discord branding on the right foot. And in contrast, for the friends and family pair, the outsole here is constructed out of this black colored rubber, but the rest of the details are the same. So that breaks down the look and the construction of these Discord Collegium Pillar Destroyer highs. For those wondering about sizing, so I'm a true size 10, slightly on the wider side. I got these in a size 43, and they fit me well, but they're a little bit more on the roomy side. So if you're more of a 9.5, 10, I'd recommend going with a size 42, but if you're more of a 10, 10.5, then 43 should be good. But if you want more sizing advice, check out Collegium's website. They have a full size chart on their site, which will definitely help you figure out the right size. But long story short, these are a very wide foot friendly shoe, so for someone like myself, they feel very comfortable, no problems. Next up, in terms of the comfort, so the Pillar Destroyer High is a very comfortable shoe. As far as a retro-inspired silhouette goes, like I mentioned before, the very thick polyurethane insole is where the majority of the comfort comes from. But with that said, the step-in comfort is quite nice. You can really feel that foam underfoot, especially underneath the heels. And the quality of the materials being that they're very soft and they feel super broken in already right out of the box, it means you're not going to have to deal with stiff leathers and break-in periods. So honestly, this feels like a shoe that I've worn for years and years now, even though it's a brand new shoe. And finally, from an overall quality and craftsmanship standpoint, I should honestly just skip through this part, but the quality of Collegium products is honestly really good. I know a lot of other companies market that their products are made in Italy, but if you guys ever get the chance to hold these in hand, you'll see what I'm talking about. The leathers feel very high quality, very soft to the touch, and it's definitely not the same level of quality we see from mass-produced shoes from the big brands. When you run your fingers across both the leathers and the suedes, you can really see all those natural leather grains, and there's no additives and there's really nothing to hide on their materials. So with all that out of the way now, let's toss these on feet and I'll show you guys how these look. So this collaboration between Discord and Collegium really wanted to bring things back to the community. Bringing things back to the earlier days of sneaker collecting with, for example, communities on Nike Talk, this pays homage to those days. And the fact that they're giving these away free to the community is an added bonus. Between the two, even though this one is the friends and family version, I actually think I like the general release pair a bit more. To me, it exudes more that One Piece theme, but I'm curious to know what you guys think. Let me know in the comment section down below between the general release and the friends and family pair, which of the two do you guys prefer? There's no right or wrong answer, both colorways are absolute fire, so for anyone entering their giveaway, best of luck. If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. You can follow me on Instagram at esco8, check me out on my Twitter account at sean.go, and visit my website as well at seango.ca. Before I end this video, another huge shout out goes out to Collegium and Nick for sending me both pairs of their Discord collaboration. And thank you everyone for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys all in the next one.